In this video, I wanted to talk about a common question that I get from students about images disappearing in memory palaces. Now, if you haven't played with memory techniques before, you're going to be thinking, what is she talking about? But it's out of the scope of this video to talk to you about them, so please do go and look at my other videos if you're lost before you view this one. If you're missing images in your memory palace, there could be a couple of things going on. It could be that you are not making exciting images, or you're not paying attention, but actually commonly it's something about the memory palace itself or how you're using it. So it might be that your memory palace is a little bit boring. Maybe all the locations are at the same height. So you walk in and it's at eye height and eye height and eye height. That's going to become boring and you won't remember it. It could also be that you have the same size. So it's always like human size location rather than, it's a big location, it's a little location. You also might not be really knowing the location well and really imagining how it feels there. Like if it was under a couch, it's dark and dusty and quiet. If it's in a refrigerator, it's cold and I imagine the light on, but I suppose when the door's shut, it's off. So you really want to really know what the location would look like. Another thing is it can be good to mix up how you view the images in the locations. So I've noticed that some students I train always see it like from top view, or some people always see it from front view. Some people, it's always themselves with the image. It's kind of good to mix it up a bit. Sometimes I'm under the couch with the whatever, or sometimes, I'm zoomed right in on the front of the image, or sometimes it's moving. So you want to mix up the images a little bit. And I think one of the most important things really is that you are interacting with the location. So, if you really know your memory palace well and it's exciting and it changes heights and changes sizes, then if you've paid attention and you've put an image in a location, you should see it there. If you go to that place and it's not there, it probably means that you didn't really, use that location. Like, if it's a wall, rather than just putting the image that you're trying to remember on the wall, it might be thrown on the wall and then slide down the wall, So you want to sort of be using the location. It might also make sense to you now as to why, that's why this palace works really well and this one doesn't. Often it's because you have a good palace that you created well and you have one that you're a little bit, you weren't feeling so imaginative that day and it's a little bit lackluster. So I hope that helps. If you have further questions about this, please do reach out to me. If you need to see some of my other videos, there's some basic videos in the links below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. And if you're not already a subscriber, please do so. And that way you'll know when my new videos come out.